Welcome to Ellam Inbamayam, a series dedicated to the wizardry, the style, and the soul of legendary M.L. Vasantakumari.
శక్తి ఐకరుముగిణి శ్రీ చక్రరాజ నిలయ.
Namaskaram. I am Dr. Shubha Ganeshan, Carnatic vocalist, a disciple of Padma Bhushan Sangeeta Kalanidhi, Dr. M.L. Vasantakumari Amma. I am immensely delighted and honored to speak about the music of my revered Guru, Dr. M.L.V. Amma. M.L.V. Amma's colossal contributions to Carnatic music will always remain eternal in all her Rasika's mind. Be it Raga Alapana, Kriti rendition, Thanam, Neraval, Ragam Thanam Pallavi, or any other form of Tukkada items, M.L.V. Amma's imagination was boundless, I should say. Her silky and honey-soaked voice could handle any type of intricate briga phrases and sangadis with utmost ease. Once I heard Dr. S.A.K. Durga Madam, who was an ethnomusicologist and a voice specialist, say, in our Carnatic music only a few artists have wholesome voice with an equal weight in all ranges. M.L.V. Amma's voice was a model one which could produce a tone with equal weight in the middle as well as higher octaves. M.L.V. Amma's voice would seamlessly travel in all the octaves effortlessly. What's so special about M.L.V. Amma's Bani was she was able to frame her own style in an inimitable way, having her mentor, Guru, the great legendary musician, G.N. Balasubramaniam's music as the core element. Here I would like to mention about my MPhil project exclusively on the Raga Alapana style of M.L.V. Amma, which was also her forte, where I have substantiated all these facts in that thesis. She was innovative, imaginative, nevertheless crossed the boundaries of tradition and classicism. She was also pioneer in singing new ragas such as Shiva Shakti, Chaya Ranjini and so on. These ragams are the innovations of her Guru G.N. Balasubramanian sir. Zagama Panisa Sanira Pamaga Sa Chaya Ranjini is Naudava Shadava Ragam. Nivalayinche Yendu Bodune Nivalayinche Yendu Bodune Nivalayinche Yendu Bodune. Which was her command, and these innovations have set her different from her contemporaries.